The Bill of Rights refers to the collective name for the first 10 amendments to the United States Constitution. These amendments were introduced to protect individual liberties and rights from governmental interference. In the late 18th century, there was a significant public demand for a more explicit statement of individual rights, particularly after the drafting of the U.S. Constitution in 1787. This demand was fulfilled by the ratification of the Bill of Rights in 1791, an essential development in the constitutional history of the United States. The process of creating the Bill of Rights began after the Constitutional Convention of 1787, where delegates had debated the need for a bill that would assure specific legal protections to citizens. Some delegates, known as the Anti-Federalists, perceived the absence of a Bill of Rights as a significant flaw in the new Constitution. Consequently, assurances were made that amendments would follow to ensure protections for individual liberties. James Madison, one of the founding fathers and a significant figure in the drafting of the Constitution, initially opposed the Bill of Rights, believing that the structure of the new government already contained sufficient protection for individual liberties. However, he changed his stance under the lobbying of his mentor Thomas Jefferson and others who argued that greater clarity was needed. Madison proposed a list of amendments, 10 of which were ratified and became known as the Bill of Rights. Each amendment in the Bill of Rights serves a distinct purpose. 1. First Amendment protects freedom of religion, speech, press, assembly, and petition. It ensures that citizens can express themselves freely, practice any religion, and petition the government for redress of grievances. 2. Second Amendment protects the right to keep and bear arms, which has been a point of significant debate regarding the regulation of gun ownership. 3. Third Amendment prohibits the quartering of soldiers in private homes without the owner's consent, reflecting colonial America's experiences under British rule. 4. Fourth Amendment protects against unreasonable searches and seizures and sets requirement for search warrants based on probable cause. 5. Fifth Amendment ensures the right to due process and protects against double jeopardy and self-incrimination.